Options trading, let me just be really clear, is not part of the financial issues strategy. The reason why, it's not investing, it is gambling. So lots of people will say, well, I don't invest in stocks, or I don't do the market because it's gambling, and I don't think that is right. Well, there's a difference between investing and trading. Investing is making an informed decision about becoming an owner of a real company. Trading, especially options trading, is making bets. So the reason that I even bring this up is because this activity shows that the sentiment of where traders or speculators have lots of conviction about where the market is going. So when they start making bets that the market is going up, it shows us that the market is moving on speculation on what the traders think is coming. Investing involves an educated investor's best prediction of which direction the economy is going. Because if they think the economy is getting better, they think that it will be an environment where companies can operate their businesses successfully and make more money. So I don't really think that the Bible explicitly names gambling as a sin. I know for a fact that it certainly doesn't make the short list of 10 things that we're supposed to do or not do. But the Lord looks at the motives of the heart. So we have to ask ourselves, what is the motive or goal if I'm tempted to try to make quick, easy money, like do an options trade, trying to make quick money in a day? Very likely, the motivation is greed or the love of money. And we know what the scripture says about the love of money, that not money, but the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. So if we have extra money after we do the important things, first give back to God what is God's, what He is asking of us, taking care of those under our roofs. That means paying our bills and, and setting some money aside for future expenses or emergency expenses. If we still have money over and above that, then it should be saved to meet short-term needs or invested for longer-term needs. Notice the difference there between saving and investing. Saving for short-term needs, investing for longer-term needs so that you can get some growth. So Timothy 6:10 is where it tells us that the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil. It says some people eager for money, there's the motivation, have wandered from the faith and pierced themselves with many griefs. So we have to be cautious there and really inspect our hearts. Lay our hearts open and inspect what is our motivation. Hebrews 13:5 declares, keep your lives free from the love of money and be content with what you have. Matthew 6:24 says, no one can serve two masters. Either he will hate the one and love the other, or he will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money. So there it is. There's more principle in the scripture, and one of the foundational scriptures that you've heard this ministry speak of for so long is the principle of little by little. So you always heard Dan talk about little by little wealth grows. That's the strategy that we try to help you stick to. Now, sometimes it's not really as exciting as what you hear on the financial news about a stock going up 30% in one day or 50% in one day, and people making all of these money, all of the activity that went on with the meme stocks and those kind of things. It's not near as exciting as that, but it will give you peace. If you follow the instructions that are given to us in Scripture, you're going to have peace. If you get caught up in all of the hype, you're going to have anxiety. So I just want to encourage you there.